Blake with Swiss Watch Expo, and I've said time and time again, one of the most unheralded ladies watch brands has got to be Breitling. They make some really unique looking ones, and this Galactic I have in my hands is no different. I really, really love this two-tone rose bezel against this steel case, and the bezel construction is so incredibly modern. You got these big Arabic numerals and a really futuristic looking font. This is not at all a watch that looks classic or traditional, and let's be honest, a lot of Breitling people, that's not what they want in a watch. So if you're a lady who sort of subscribes to the same philosophy when it comes to fashion, this is right up your alley. This has a beautiful looking lizard skin strap, which again, white stitching. I've noticed a motif. These white stitch watches always catch my attention. And it has an automatic movement. So ladies who are a little more into horology or maybe don't care much for a quartz movement like a lot of other lady Breitlings, this is a great example. And I haven't even gotten into this beautiful dial yet because I simply don't have time. But you see it, it's beautiful, you want it, and it's at SwissWatchExpo.com.